Hi guys, it's Koylee Ocaya, your friendly neighborhood makeup artist, and today, this is my look in a pink vibes, pink soft glam. And today, along with my makeup tutorial, I'm gonna share with you my birthday giveaway. So yeah, I'm gonna have my birthday next week at August 18. I'll be turning 26. Yeah. So please keep watching the video kay in between or in the last part or basta kay anywhere in between kay insert nako ang mechanics on how to win awesome prizes like this one. Wow! Yeah, this is an original Morphe palette, Happy Hour 15H. It's an eyeshadow palette, so don't miss out kay daghan pagyapon kay kog freebies to announce. And yeah, if you like what you see, then please keep on watching. Bye guys!
GC on the track, boy. 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 GC on the track, boy.
Hi guys! Kadshort sa takadjot sa atong makeup tutorial kay I will share with you the amazing prizes I have for my birthday giveaway! So, first off kay this Morphe palette. It's a 15 eyeshadow palette. Then, it's called the 15H Happy Hour. And guys, this is legit. I got it from a legit seller. And gusto nung tanak ko ang kunong no, this is for you. And I'm gonna show you how it looks. It has its protective film. And I'm gonna hold it like that. And you know, very nice shades. Look at all those pretty shades. Yeah, this could be yours if you join my giveaway. So join. So our next prize is a free hair and makeup by me and photo session with Adreil Maguale. So Adreil is a good friend of mine, and recently we collaborated and we came up with this home studio now wherein we get to do some portraits and some beauty shots. So yeah, if you're lucky enough, I get to doll you up, I get to dress you up, and we could have this 2-hour session with Adreil Maguale. And I'm gonna put his Instagram, his Facebook, and his contact details in the description box below para makasubaybay pod mo sa iyang mga events and sa iyang mga lakaw. And yeah, do check out his work because he takes really good photos, and I'm so glad that I get to collaborate with him and I get to do this photo shoots. The third prize is 1 dozen of mini Choco Banana muffins by my good friend Ching. So Z is currently starting a new baking business with her sister, and I really want to share this sa inyo ha. Kay lami, kay lang cupcakes and muffins, but they're worth it. They're really worth it. So yeah, one lucky winner gets to bring home a box full of goodies from Z Baked Goods. I'm also gonna put her Instagram, Facebook, and contact details below para ma-check out ninyo ang mga different classes of cakes and muffins name. Basta lami kayo. And the presentation, oh my gosh. Oh, the icing skills. Wow, grabe guys. Like a power. And our fourth giveaway is 2 discount vouchers. One person each gets to win a discount voucher for all my hair and makeup services here sa studio. So this is valid for 6 months, and you could use it until August, September, October, November, December, January, February. Until February. So 2 people get to win a discount voucher. And number 5, hopefully maapas na ko ni, pero I'm still transacting it. I want one of my followers to win a statement t-shirt from wicked.co on Instagram. Please check them out. Okay, they have this amazing t-shirt line about empowering women and just really cool statement t-shirts now. In my previous giveaway dito sa akong Facebook page, I gave one lucky girl 2 shirts from wicked.co, and yeah, I think I'm gonna make it like a tradition or something like that. Every giveaway, I should always include this where karon gina-transact na ko, and hopefully maapas na ko kuha ang shirt. Let's just pray nga maapas. So shout out to Miss Mary, the owner of wicked.co. I really love your brand, and you keep it up. You keep empowering us women through your shirts, and all my love to you. So much love, Miss Mary. The mechanics of this giveaway, okay? 5 steps only. I'm not gonna post this sa Facebook. Diri ra ni siya taman sa akong video. So, mabawaan gid ako kinsay tan-aw sa akong video kay muray maka-comment dito sa Facebook page na. So, steps ani kay first step, you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Yes, you must be a subscriber. Next is, you must like and follow my Facebook page. Yeah. And the next is, you have to screenshot these 2 things right here. So you have to screenshot being a subscriber, like my channel page, and you have to screenshot my Facebook page nga naka-like ka, and then you have to comment it down sa Facebook post na akong i-post. Okay, when I post this video, I'm also gonna post a Facebook post. So you have to comment it there. And the fifth step is, oh my gosh. Okay, the fifth step is you have to tag 2 friends and you have to comment, "Happy birthday, Koylee." So yeah, moro to siya. Mag-recap ta ha. First, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next is you have to like and follow my Facebook page. Next is you have to screenshot the first 2 steps, or you could collage it or sa ba, basta kay makita na ko nga naka-like ka o naka-subscribe ka. Then you have to comment it sa Facebook post na ko. Then you have to comment "Happy birthday, Koylee," and tag 2 friends. That's it. Dili na ko ni siya i-post sa Facebook nga caption. Dili na ko ni siya iputang sa description box. I had na nabawaan kung magtanaw mo sa video. So yeah, that's it. Thank you and continue watching my makeup tutorial. Bye guys, love you all.
DC on the track, boy. DC on the track, boy. DC on the track, boy.
So thank you for watching my makeup tutorial, my pinky makeup tutorial. I hope you like my eyes. Let's get my glitter. And karon, I'd like to do a couple of shout outs. Okay, I promised a few people nga mag-shout out ko. So yeah, first off, Vlog Squad Bukidnon. Guys, I love you so much. Like, thank you kayo sa support, sa inyong pag-welcome sa ko sa group chat, and I can't wait to meet you all. So, much love, Vlog Squad Bukidnon. And shout out kay Kwangdol Squad, kay nag-comment sila sa akong last video. So, shout out to you guys. Please check out their YouTube channel, guys. They post really good content, and yeah. Third shout out is to Monique Gonzalez. If you like affordable crop tops, affordable bralettes, affordable seamless bras, and sports bras nga branded, she has it for you. So check her out on Facebook, Monique Ocaya. And I got this really cute crop top from her. So inspired akong whole makeup look tungod ani akong cute kay nga crop tops all. And I do hope you join my giveaway. Please join my giveaway kay it would mean the world to me nga makahatag ko og prizes and stuff like that. And we're almost up to 300 subscribers. Gamay na lang, like 15. Basta sige lang. We're almost there. So, and my Facebook page is 3,000 plus. So thank you for all the love, and I feel so blessed na I get to imbis akong birthday, ako tahatagan, no, ahaman ako mga gift, ako na lang maghatag sa inyo as my way of saying thank you and saying that I appreciate all of you guys. So thank you. And if you want to see more videos like this, or hopefully more giveaways. Mag-abot sa tag certain number of subscribers, mag-giveaway na sa ko, I promise. Kung unsa niyang gusto makitaan from me, please comment down below, and I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button para ma-update mo sa akong next upcoming videos. And yeah, I'm turning 26. Yay! I forgot to mention important part. So my giveaway ends on my birthday, August 18th. That's a Sunday. But I will do a Facebook Live and I will pick the winners on August 20. Okay, i-arrange na ako. I like isulat na ako sa paper and like roll it up and prepare it para sa basta mag-Facebook Live lang ko on the 20th. Pero the giveaway ends on 18th. So I hope I made that clear. And I will see you soon, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I love you all. Yeah, I really love you all. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.